Have you ever wondered how to invest for retirement success? Let's dive into the world of retirement investing. It's crucial to start thinking about retirement early, not when you're on the verge of it. Why, you ask? Because investing is like planting a seed. It takes time to grow and flourish. With careful planning and smart investing, you can secure a comfortable future where financial worries are a thing of the past. Investing for retirement doesn't have to be a daunting task. It can be simplified into easy steps. The first step to successful retirement investing is to start early. You see, there's a magical financial concept called compound interest. It's the snowball effect of your money. Your investments earn returns, and those returns earn more returns, and so on. The earlier this process starts, the bigger your snowball gets. Think of it as planting a seed and watching your money tree grow over time. Time is indeed an investor's best friend. The earlier you start, the more time your money has to grow. The second step is to diversify your investments. Imagine your portfolio as a colorful mosaic, each tile representing a different type of asset. By spreading your investments across these various tiles, stocks, bonds, real estate, or even mutual funds, you cast a broader net, reducing risk and boosting potential returns. It's like not putting all your eggs in one basket. This way, if one asset stumbles, others can offset the loss. By diversifying, you can protect yourself from major losses and increase your chances of achieving your retirement goals. The third step is to consistently invest. This is where the concept of dollar-cost averaging comes into play. It's like spreading your bets in a game of chance. By investing a fixed amount regularly, you're not trying to predict market highs and lows. Instead, you're buying more shares when prices are low and fewer when they're high. This strategy can help soften the blow of market volatility, turning it into an opportunity rather than a threat. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to investing. So there you have it. 3 simple steps to invest for retirement success. First, we emphasize the importance of starting early. The sooner you begin, the more time your money has to grow. Think of your investments as seeds. Plant them early and they'll have more time to flourish. Next, we talked about diversifying your investments. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. Spread them across various investment types. This way, if one area doesn't perform well, you're not left high and dry. Lastly, we underscored the need to consistently invest. Make it a habit. Regular contributions, regardless of the market's ups and downs, can add up to significant growth over time. These steps are not complicated, but they require discipline and persistence. They're your roadmap to a comfortable and secure retirement. With these steps, you are well on your way to a successful retirement. Remember, the journey to retirement is a marathon, not a sprint. Happy investing.